bad so far?
Well, only my drone.
Only the drone.
Yeah.
That's
But it's all right because obviously I'm trying out the 360 and stuff like that.
Okay.
So the drones are sold last year.
Oh, last year.
Yeah. It's all about the 360 now.
You're going to sell it?
No, I'm not going to sell it.
No, you're not going to sell
It's
it.
worthless. It's sold last year.
You don't let your feelings haunt you. You don't ever get nervous, do you? With all the right cards in your hands. I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned. It was more than a feeling. From the floor to the ceiling. Wish I knew how to tell you. I need someone to believe in.
Yeah, so we've just been talking about the fact that when you kind of like go on a weather app and you kind of think, well, is it going to rain this weekend? Is it going to be sunny? What's the weather going to be like? As long as it isn't raining, or if it's nice and sunny, that's probably it, isn't it? It's campsite booked or like location spotted and everything. Until you get there and it isn't raining, but it's really windy.
Oh, gonna get buffeted about tonight, aren't we?
Yeah,
oh, there we go.
This isn't me after a few beers that's making it all wobbly. This is the wind at the moment. So Anglesey this weekend, somewhere else tomorrow night. But thought we'd come up here for a secret mission. Got some stuff going on. All will be revealed in the next couple of months. But for now, it's hush hush. Can't tell you. Secret. So yeah, we're just in Anglesey for the weekend. Oh yeah, okay diner for tea.
Nice.
Aye. Alright, we'll catch you in the morning, folks. Just arrived, gonna get hopefully rocked to sleep maybe. But yeah, see how we are in the morning.
Yeah.
Night.
Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. About the walls you break it, 'cause when you stop the world keeps shaking, and I don't want to be apart. Then I heard it in the morning, and then I saw it in the evening, and then you said without a warning that you need someone to believe in.
Last night didn't turn out the way we thought. It was very, 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 very windy where we were. So we decided to pack up, didn't we?
Yep.
So we packed up and well, I got dressed. Someone didn't get dressed.
I put a jumper over my pyjamas.
And then drove to the other side of Anglesey and to our other favourite little spot, which is where we are now. So we're going to explore a little bit more, but the weather's turned a bit pants in all fairness. 33 mile an hour winds, which means that the secret project is on pause for now till we find somewhere that's a little bit better. However, for now we're having a bit of brekkie, and we'll catch up with you later on. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Mandy.
Bye, Mandy.
'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out.
So it's a bit of an interesting day so far. Yeah. So we had to move. Obviously, we said that we had to move because it was just like way blowing last night.
Oh, it was awful.
South Stack Lighthouse, lovely place to go. In fact, it was nice. It was just it's like 30 odd, 40 odd mile an hour gusts or something like that.
Oh, it was proper blowing through all the vents everywhere. It was noisy.
Yeah. So we moved, and we ended up in a car park, which was the kind of opposite end of the area we were at the last time we were in Anglesey. Because we thought, from the other car park the last time, we thought there's people over there, let's see what it's like. So we now know what it's like. It's nowhere near as nice.
No, although the decent places to walk, so you still get to the same bay.
Yeah.
Not quite as exposed, and you can't see the bay from there, even though we thought you could.
Yeah.
But it was nice. It did the job.
It's all right. Equally as windy.
Really much less windy, was it now?
Then the rest of it, there was us looking for somewhere to eat, and also another campsite. So we found a great place to eat.
Oh.
And obviously, being the ace vloggers we are, because obviously we're just pros at this now.
Yep.
And despite some of the people saying, I hope the fame and notoriety doesn't go to your head. We're so famous, that we just, now we're crap at blogging.
Yeah, we are absolutely crap at blogging.
So we ate a really nice restaurant, and
it was a pub.
Yeah, it's a hotel pub. And left some great reviews, because we are the type of people that leave reviews either way. So we left some wonderful reviews on TripAdvisor and Google Map or Google Reviews. And then I was going to come out of the pub and then sort of film it outside and go, yeah guys, you need to come here if you're ever in Anglesey, because I've just had the best gammon steak ever.
Oh, it was the best gammon steak.
And even the rind and everything like that was so crispy and just fantastic. And we got in the van, drove off, and then I forgot I'd not filmed.
And then like half an hour later, he's just like, oh, I was going to do this.
So what I might do is actually get the dash cam and see if the dash cam captured it.
Yeah.
And get some footage of the dash cam when we drove in or something. Or perhaps if that all failed, what you'll see now is a real crappy view from Google Maps.
Yeah.
So there you go. But yeah, if you're ever in Anglesey,
the Breeze Hill.
The Breeze Hill at, what's it called? Something Bay. I forget what it is now.
There's only one Breeze Hill on Anglesey, because I found out that
I'll
when I
put
was
the address
Googling
up there now anyway, so you can see the address.
Yeah.
Sorry about the noise if it sounds a bit weird.
Yeah, the dog's having a drink.
Cooper's just having a drink, that's all.
Whenever I stand, is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stand. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. Screaming out.
We've driven some roads today that we wouldn't normally come on to see family and all that kind of stuff on our visits. Got a few places. It's like there's some photographers that I follow, and they talk about going out scouting locations and stuff like that. So I guess we just spent the day scouting future locations for stopovers.
Found a few really good sites as we were looking through the Brit stops. We drove through
Betsy Coed
before, and went past Swallow Falls.
Yeah.
And somebody had said to us that the Swallow Falls Hotel had a really nice campsite on it. And we drove past it and we're like, we can't see a campsite, and it was a bit busy and we couldn't really stop off. So we carried on, and then when we've just stopped now, it's a Brit stop.
Yeah, so someone's seen obviously 5 campers and thought it's a campsite.
Yeah.
But
yeah, we could have stopped there, and it was lovely. Yeah, it's been a good day. We've seen some lovely scenery. It is beautiful, Wales. Wales, to me, goes from being obviously very Welsh, and then Scottish, and then it's the Lake District, and then it's all of these. It's literally Great Britain, isn't it? Just slices of it all rolled into one. I do love it.
It was just a case of come out today and try a few things for the secret project, which has got absolutely nothing to do with camping.
No. Nope.
It's just that I needed to do something, and by going away we were testing a few things out of the camper, because I've made some changes and stuff like that, and it's much quieter now, lot smoother to drive. And if it wasn't for the stupid new lights blowing last night, but one of the new lights, the circuit inside it blew last night, which blew a fuse, which took half the lights out inside the van.
It was fun.
Which was interesting. But these things happen.
Yeah.
Forgot my drone this time, as you saw from the footage on the way down, so I hope you've liked the 360 view. like walking around with a 360 and the other 360. So what's the kind of take on it, you know? Do you prefer the drone views of what we do, or do you like the 360 angles and stuff? Because from the stuff I did with Tour de France, a few people commented on the drone views. Well, actually, I only used the drone for about an hour on one day, and the rest of it with 360 camera views.
Yeah, true.
So it'd be interesting to see who didn't realise between the two.
Yeah.
So there you go. So if you're looking on this one, no drone. I left it at home. Dumbass, I know, but there you go. And yeah, there you go. So thank you for watching.
Yep.
Hope you've enjoyed our little trip away, and catch you on the next one. Happy travels.
Bye.
Check out xlcloud.uk. Use the Gadget John as the code on checkout and get 20% off.